This is problem number 2 from section 5.1. It says let f of x equal 5x plus 1 and g of x equal 1 over x. Evaluate each expression symbolically. So part A, they want us to do f plus g of 3. So I'm going to say f plus g of 3 equals f of 3 plus g of 3, which equals, when I plug 3 in, I get 5 times 3 plus 1 plus g of 3, which is 1 over 3. Now you can plug all this in the calculator at this point if you want, so let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to say 5 parenthesis 3 plus 1 plus, let's put a fraction in there, 1 over 3. And let's, we got 49 over 3 right away. So 49 over 3 is the answer to this first part. So if you want to make it real easy, once you write this steps out, just plug exactly what you got into the calculator, and you should be good to go. Part B then, we got f minus g of 1/5, which is equal to f of 1/5 minus g of 1/5, which gives you 5, right, with an input of 1/5 for x, plus 1 minus 1 over 1/5. Now we can plug all that in to the calculator if we want. I'm actually going to evaluate this a little bit by hand. I think it'll make it just a little easier. So 5 times 1/5 we know is 1, plus 1, and then 1 divided by 1/5, we flip it and multiply, and you can see 1 divided by 1/5 here. 1 divided by 1/5 is just 5, so we end up with negative 5 there. So 1 plus 1 minus 5 is negative 3. Part C, f times g of 4 is f of 4 times g of 4, which is equal to f of 4 is 5 with a 4 input for x plus 1, and we're multiplying that times g of 4, which is 1 over 4. So that's going to equal, and we could plug this one in the calculator, it'd be pretty easy. Let's do 5, so we'll do parenthesis 5, parenthesis 4, plus 1, times a 4th. We'll put the fraction in there. Make it look nice and fancy. Enter. We get 21 over 4 for the solution for that part. Part C. And then part D. It says f over g of 0, which is f of 0 over g of 0, which is 5 times 0 plus 1 over 1 over 0. Uh-oh. We have a denominator of 0. Of 0 means part D is undefined. Meaning we can't do it because we're going to divide by 0. So we can't plug 0 in because the g function is not defined for an input of 0.